Hi, I'm Emma.
Hi, I'm Margaret.
I'm Annie.
We're from AM Environment. And today we want to present a case for you to implement Meatless Mondays in our school. And there are a lot of reasons, including health benefits, budget benefits, and environmental benefits. So as for health benefits, it helps lower your risk of heart disease, it lowers your cholesterol, and it reduces your blood pressure.
So in terms of environmental effects, producing meat takes a lot of water to actually raise the animals and then have them processed to your homes where you eat them. So actually producing 1 pound of beef requires 1,800 gallons of water, while producing the same amount of corn only takes 108 gallons of water. So that huge excess of water that's being produced with meat can be avoided. And also many of these farms where these animals are raised are very unethical, and the animals are treated extremely badly.
They're given GMO feed, which is first of all bad for us and the cows, and just in general just really terrible for the environment and for our health. So we should definitely avoid that, and having a Meatless Monday would back that up, and that would reduce the amount of meat we eat. And also in terms of budget friendly, it's also cheaper. Meat is more expensive than vegetables or fruit, so it's definitely a benefit for your budget too. So we really want you to consider our proposal for a Meatless Monday.
In addition, I forgot to mention before, cows also produce a lot of methane gas, which is a greenhouse gas, and it causes global climate change. So reducing your intake of beef would decrease the production of cows. So maybe the results of such high production of cows would be offset.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you.
Go Meatless Monday! Woo!